Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off ads in My Talking Tom 2. To turn off or minimize ads in My Talking Tom 2, first of all, open up the My Talking Tom 2 app on your device, and once you do that, from the home screen, tap on the shopping cart icon at the top left. From the shop option, scroll down and look for the remove ads option and tap on the USD option at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you will then need to go ahead and make a purchase in order to remove ads from the game. Confirm with your Apple ID or follow through the prompts and enter the credentials as needed according to your device's type, and then follow through the prompts. After you purchase the ads-free option, you will then be able to remove ads from the game. Another way to remove ads is to simply disable the internet connection. You can switch on the airplane mode or simply turn off your Wi-Fi, and you will then be able to play Talking Tom 2 without any ads from showing. So those were some of the ways you can turn off the ad option on My Talking Tom 2. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.